bring gloves off because they're driving me insane. What is this thing attached to? Yeah, you should pin that down.
I'm a really bad videotaper, so if your camera or your videos are really bad, I'm sorry.
Your idea. Very well.
Okay, I can't stand all these pins in my way. We cannot have all these pins here.
How are you guys doing?
I'm good. We're trying to pin this down here.
Can I cut his stomach?
Oh, well, yeah, we're ready, yes.
Oh, can I take a picture? So sick.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been videotaping for like a minute.
Oh, okay. Now I'm cut through the bones of the... Fold the muscle flaps back and pin to the desk. If the body cavity is filled with black colored eggs, you have a female. Did we not have a female? These don't look like eggs to me. They look like a freaking liver. I think we have
this stuff?
I think we have a male, guys. I don't know yet. Oh my god!
What is that? Oh, a bunch of other grapes out of it. I just don't know what it is.
What is it? Is it dandelions?
No,
No.
Brianna, they're not dandelions. I have no idea.
What's the stomach?
I don't know.
Not the stomach.
We're not there yet.
Maybe he doesn't have a stomach.
Maybe we have like
stomach.
okay, a defective frog or something.
Okay, hold on. Don't. We can't move it apart because we gotta find everything. Okay, locate the anterior. Locate.
Yeah. What did you do?
I need to. Spleen, okay. The pancreas is the lower part of the dude. And I think this is the spleen
I'm
down
pretty
here.
sure ours was starving to death.
Yeah, I think ours is like the front with all the frog litter.
This is the spleen right here. Are we supposed to cut all these things out?
I think so. Put that our frog was empty on our report.
We haven't opened it yet, though. We haven't opened the stomach yet.
Do you want to go get a ruler, Megan?
This is really confusing, guys. You're excited, aren't you? You just want to cut open the stomach.
Oh, beautiful. Nice. If you want to see a fully intact June bug, well, I call them June bugs, but if these are from Mexico, they might be a slightly different species.
I don't know.
Okay, let's cut the stomach out.
Okay, you want to do that? You might want to use the scissors. You can, like, cut the stomach out.
No.
Hey, you guys are doing very well. You've got half an hour, so you should be into the abdomen, but most of you are well into the abdomen. You're like cutting your intestines. Just keep following the procedure. You'll have lots of time to finish. Tomorrow I'm going to hand out all of your old tests and a review sheet that you can start studying from.
Awesome. I need those. So I don't want to just study something. Hey guys.
Sorry, I was trying to get pictures and...
Yeah, there's nothing in our stomach.
No?
Should I put that?
I don't think so.
There's nothing in our stomach.
Well, yeah, we will have to write it down. It's part of the observation.
Yeah.
It squirted. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, is there anything in it? Open it up.
I don't see anything.
Probably isn't anything.
Look at that. Empty.
Completely empty. cute. Okay.
Stomach.
I think he had a tumor in his
You should
stomach.
probably write that down.
I think he had a tumor in his
I don't think
stomach.
that's a tumor, Megan.
Cut it in
I think he was starving to death, legitimately.
Yeah.
Okay.
was starving.
Can you write down? Oh, yeah.
Here, do you want to make a video take more? Because
Do you want me to stop and like redo it again? Because it's 3 minutes.
yeah. There's the oviduct. We don't have oviducts. We just have kidneys. These are the kidneys.
Ooh, look, poop.
Megan, you're weird. We have
Ethan did it first.
We have kidneys right here. These are little kidneys with the friggin' yellow crap inside of it. I don't know what these yellow things are.
Dandelions.
I know dandelions, Brianna.
There, it got some frog poop.
The testes on the male frogs are located on the kidney.
Your hair is getting in there.
Do you want a hair tie or something?
She
Do you
has
want to
one.
put it up? Would you want to put it up?
I just washed my hands.
I see Megan doing Miranda's hair. I'm videotaping it because it's an important part.
Nicely done.
Okay, well, you've got about 20 minutes, so in 10 minutes I'm going to tell you you should be wrapping up.
I'm gonna cut the kidneys out so we can look at the testes.
Okay, I love frog testes.
I don't see any testes. Maybe we do have a female. We just can't tell.
Maybe it wasn't like a mature female.
Well, it's freaking small. Look at it.
Ew.
These are little kidneys. Frog kidneys.
Take a picture of it. A little frog kidneys. Oh, I just took a picture of your palm. Whatever, no big deal. Is my camera getting in your way?
My camera? No.
Oh yeah, well I meant yours, but...
What is this stuff?
Jizz.
Maybe this stuff is bad. Little yellow crap.
What's this?
Kidneys.
Hang on. Is it a boy or a girl?
I can't tell.
Maybe it's like a hermaphrodite.
But it doesn't have either part.
Wait, I need to turn my brightness
It's
up.
like a... It's like a nothing medallion.
Well, I didn't see any oviducts.
I didn't see any... Well then, how do they release their jizz?
Through the cloaca.
Well, if it has a cloaca, then isn't it a...
To the anal opening or whatever it is. That's really bad. Okay. The kidney and the soft tissue bag, the bladder, empty into the cloaca. Maybe this is the heart. I don't know, guys. I don't know.
How come our frog's so stupid?
Maybe we're just stupid.
No, we're smart.
No, it's the stupid frog.
Is this the heart? It's supposed to be the heart.
Yeah, it looks like a heart. And those things look like lungs, but it's just like...
Oh, it's supposed to be observing.
Oh, well.
Our frog
Oh, you
is,
got the
like,
male.
it's hard to tell if it was a male or a female.
Can you do it? You're better at it. I can.
Yeah, but I'm videotaping too, so it's hard for me to write.
Tell me when we observe
I can
something.
videotape.
Oh, wait.
Is the yellow stuff sticky?
What yellow
The
stuff?
stuff I think is dandelion?
Why?
I'm just wanted to write down that it was sticky.
No, they're not. Maybe these are the... Maybe these... I don't know, man.
Yeah, I think that thing's a heart.
This little thing here's the heart, I think.
So I cut it off.
Observe that the heart's in the middle of the body.
It is in the middle. Yeah, okay, yeah. Observe. I'm pretty sure this thing's the liver. And these little things here are the lungs. Oh, I found the lungs! These little things are the lungs. Because, you know, they're like deflated and stuff.
Oops.
They look lung-like.
Pardon?
And they look lung-like. And this is like a liver. This can't be the freaking liver.
I thought that was a lung, but then I guess not.
No, I don't think so. Look on the front here. This liver is composed of 5 lobes. Remove the heart and place it under. Well, we're not going to place it under a dissecting scope, but we're going to cut the heart out. Are you videotaping? Awesome. We're cutting the heart.
Sorry, bro. Just one picture.
This is the heart.
I don't know.
No, you dropped the heart.
I pierced his tongue.
Nicely done.
Yum. Heart!
Okay,
Where did my phone?
I want to cut open the heart. Can we cut open the heart?
You're supposed to observe the pericardium or something.
I think I cut the pericardium earlier. Yeah, dude, there's like no pericardium on there. So. Nope, there is though.